I'll try to challenge myself for Surah Rahman 500.
Alright, I like that spirit. Surah Rahman for 500. How many times Fabi Ayi Aalaahe Rabbi, kuma Tukazibaan is mentioned in Surah Rahman?
Oh.
How many times is this ayah repeated over and over in Surah Rahman?
Much.
Yes, a lot of times, but what is the exact number?
I'm not really sure.
Okay.
I'll pass this one.
Okay, no problem. We'll go with Brother Hussam with Muhajirun.
30.
How many?
30.
3?
30 times.
30 times. Yes. What is 30 times? It is mentioned, Fabi Ayi Aalaahe Rabbi, kuma Tukazibaan, 30 times in Surah Rahman. Very good, Hussam. You get